Windows. Install the latest GPU driver from NVIDIA AMD. Run Windows Update, especially DirectX and graphics-related patches. Reboot. 2. Force DX11 if DX12 is unstable. Add DD3D11 to Steam launch options or EA Launcher command args. This fixes many DX12-specific DirectX function failures. 3. Verifies repair game files. Steam. Library, right-click Skate, Properties, Installed Files, Verify Integrity. EA App, Repair Scan Game Files. 4. Disable overlays and background injectors. Turn off Discord overlay, NVIDIA AMD overlay, Steam overlay, Afterburner, Reshade, RTSS, any mods or injectors. Restart PC. 5. Clean GPU driver install. Use DDU in safe mode to remove drivers. Reinstall the latest official driver, NVIDIA AMD, DDU display driver uninstaller. R6. Clear shader cache and local settings. Delete the game's local cache / shader folders under sent local app data % or the game install folder, backup first. Delete or rename config files so the game regenerates them. Hasher 7. Install DirectX and Visual C++ runtimes. Run DirectX end-user runtime June 2010 installer and reinstall Visual C++ redistributables x86 and x64. Reboot. 8. Run as admins compatibility. Right-click XE Properties, Compatibility, run as administrator plus disable full screen optimizations. Try Windows 10 compatibility if on Win 11. 9. Lower graphics settings, disable advanced features. If the game launches but errors during load, lower settings. Disable ray tracing, lower textures shaders, turn off DLSS FSR. 10. Check GPU temps power. Monitor temps with HW monitor, MSI Afterburner. Thermal throttling or power delivery issues can cause DirectX failures. If temps are high, clean fans or reduce clocks. 11. Check for mods. Custom files, remove any mods, trainers, or replace DLLs. Early access builds are sensitive to injected files. 12. Collect logs in DXDiag. If still failing, run DXDiag, save all information. Grab the game's log file, game folder, sent local app data, sent, and post with your GPU model, OS, driver version, and exactly when the error appears, launch, loading map, in-game. That helps targeted fixes. Extra advanced tweaks. If you're comfortable, add a GPU TDR tweak in registry only if you suspect GPU timeouts. Search TDR delay registry and be careful. Try an earlier driver version if the latest causes problems. Some betas break DX features. If you want, paste these details and I'll give the next exact step. Windows version, Windows 10 11, GPU model plus driver version, exact error text, copy-paste, and when it happens, startup, map load, etc. Whether you're running any overlays mods, I can then give a targeted fix or the exact -D3